Welcome back. In this video, we will compare text embeddings using cosine similarity. So far, we generated embeddings. An embedding is a vector, which means a list of numbers that represents the meaning of text. Now we want to check how similar are two pieces of text in terms of meaning. That is exactly what cosine similarity measures. Cosine similarity returns a number between 0 and 1. A value closer to 1 means the meanings are very similar. A value closer to 0 means they are unrelated. Let's get started. First, install the cosine similarity library. Now, create a new JS file. In the file, import .env-config. Then import the cosine similarity library. And now import the feature extraction function from Hugging Face for embeddings. Next, we define two texts. These texts are in different languages, but they describe the same thing. One says, electrical. The other says the same thing in Arabic. We convert both texts into embeddings. Each embedding is a vector of numbers. Then, we pass those two vectors into the cosine similarity function. The function returns a single number, called the similarity score. We log that score to the console. When you run this file, you should see a value close to 1. That means the model understands that both texts have the same meaning, even though the words are different. This is why cosine similarity is powerful. It compares meaning, not exact words. You do not need to understand the math in detail. You only need to understand what the score represents. This exact setup is used in real systems for semantic search. In the next video, we will use this logic to build a simple semantic search. See you in the next video.